Hello guys, welcome to my chess game. I go by the name Dr. Achievement. As you can see, he started with straight e4 and he's just ramping down, and I just saw him. I had to defend my king. Pardon me. So I went up and just went with three defenders, and I just went up against his guys. So I'm playing this time around. I'm playing with Mender Genetics. That's the name of an individual. So immediately he moved his what is it called? Immediately he moved his bishop out from the pockets, waging defending that little pawn close to his knight. I just went to check if I could try my luck, but unfortunately he's way more wiser. So I came with another way, and he's very wise, very good. And I went back. This was a mistake from me, but it was a blessing in disguise. Keep on watching, guys. So actually, this guy, I think he's calculating the game. He's very experienced, just like the experienced one and only chess player in the world. So he's just calculating the game, and in this game, guys, I'll show you why I hate knights, what they can do. Knights are so dangerous if they are being used against you. But in this game, I was the one using the knights. I use it in a dangerous way. So that is why whenever I see my enemy's knight, I used to attack it all the time, so that I won't have any situation like that where I'm trying to defend knights. I better lose my bishop and take out their knight and let them have their bishop instead of losing this opportunity. I would have run with my queen down to give the black bishop, more chances to escape. But guys, I didn't do that. I don't know why, what I was thinking. So guess what he did? And it's taking a long time to play. So much long time to play. Goodness, what am I thinking? Now he made that move, I guess. Then he made that move. Oh, I felt like, what can I do? What can I do? Can I buy some time? Nothing I can do. I just have to let my bishop go. I have to let my bishop go. So I took it with my queen, and I felt like crying, but no problem, I won't cry. So I had to run back home with my queen, I guess, because he's pointing at me. Yeah. And my focus was on that little gap. Immediately he gave me that space, I guess I ran into it. Yeah. That little space at his is it G2, at his G2, no, B2. So I ran into it, and the guy is a lot wiser. He came with an option to give me his king in exchange of my own queen, I mean to say. But no, this guy is way wiser, which is me. I know what I want to do. I took two rook in exchange of my queen. It's crazy giving out my queen in the game, but taking out two rook means I've a little bit paralyzed him from making most moves. So yeah, he came with his queen. I thought of it. I need to run. I need to run. I need to run. Do I take the D, or do I? I just thought of taking the rook. and I knew if I take the rook, definitely his knight is living there, and I will be pointing to the rook, which has a defend already by the king. So, guy, I can't just lose my queen like that. I just went after that rook. Then it's down to 5 against 5, I guess. But we are in a terrible issue because we don't have a king, a queen. I mean to say, and a queen, it speed up the game. It makes the game more easier to play. And so I was just targeting. I've gone with my I've gone with my knight. I was just targeting. So him now he wants to take my rook with his bishop, but I was alert. I saw the move coming. I just went with my knight a little bit, and I saw the next move coming. I just swept. I shifted my rook. So I have him scouted, but I was waiting for the right time, and now this is the right time, guys. Immediately I went there. You're checking the queen and you're checking the king, and it's just very annoying. That is why I hate knights. They can do deadly things, and he's able to take my knight, but I don't know. If you take the queen. And the way the game is, he just ran away, and he knows he's playing with the best, the baddest on the planet Earth. Thank you guys for watching. Have a very, 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 very nice day. Always turn up to my channel and watch more chess games, and I will be teaching how to play chess and some other content on my channel. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.